Hey guys, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check battery cycles on iPhone. Before we start with the video, please subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. And also like this video. So what you want to do is open up your settings, and from there we want to scroll until we see the battery. Once you see the battery, here you will see all types of different information. When was it last charged to 100%, your screen on, screen off time, battery usage by app, you can show activity, or by percentage. These are all the apps, last 24 hours, last 10 days. And to see your battery cycles, you want to tap on battery health and charging. As you can see, mine is at 87%. And anything above 80 is good. If it falls below 80, I would recommend that you go and change your battery with a new one. Also, a great thing to have turned on is this optimized charging battery, because it reduces your battery aging, because iPhone learns from a daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what is the problem in the comments down below, and I do my best to help you out. Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check block list on iPhone. Now there are two ways to do it, but before we begin with the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video because it helps me out a lot. So you want to open up your settings, and from there you want to scroll down until you see phone or messages. Now you can click either, both work. So click on phone and scroll down until you see blocked contacts. From here you will see all of the people you have blocked. If you click on edit and on this minus icon, you will unblock that person. And the other way is to go to messages, scroll down, and you will see blocked contacts. Here it is. And same thing, you will see the same contacts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're having some issues, let me know what is the problem in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to help you out.